Something just passed through your body, right now, and you didn't feel a thing. In the early hours of a humid South Carolina morning in 1956, deep beside a nuclear reactor, two scientists waited for a signal they weren't even sure could exist. Not a flash, not a sound, just a whisper in the fabric of reality itself. For decades, physicists had been haunted by a problem. Certain radioactive decays didn't add up. Energy seemed to vanish. Momentum went missing. To save the laws of physics, a ghost was proposed, an invisible particle with no charge, almost no mass, and no desire to interact with anything at all. They called it the neutrino, but many believed it would remain forever undetectable. A mathematical apology, a convenient lie. Frederick Rines and Clyde Cowan refused to accept that. They turned to a new, terrifying invention of the age, the nuclear reactor at Savannah River. Inside its roaring core, billions upon billions of neutrinos were being born every second, flooding outward, passing effortlessly through steel, concrete, earth itself. The problem wasn't creating neutrinos, it was catching one. So they built a trap, a tank filled with liquid scintillator, layers of shielding, photomultiplier tubes waiting in the dark. The idea was simple and absurdly fragile. If a neutrino happened, by pure chance, to strike a proton, it would create a brief, telltale void beat of light. A blink, then another. A cosmic knock followed by an echo. Night after night, the reactor thundered. Data rolled in, and mostly nothing. Then came the pattern. A faint signal. Again and again, not random, not noise. The exact signature predicted years earlier on blackboards and in chalk dust. The room changed. Silence fell heavier than the reactor's hum. They weren't looking at a malfunction. They were looking at proof. For the first time in human history, a particle that could pass through stars, planets, and people, as if they didn't exist, had been detected. Humanity had reached out and touched the untouchable. The neutrino was real. That moment quietly rewrote physics. It confirmed a missing piece of the universe. And more than that, it proved something deeper. That even the most elusive truths, hiding behind walls of impossibility, can be found with patience, courage, and the refusal to let mystery stay unanswered. Right now, trillions of neutrinos from the sun, from distant supernovae, from the birth of the cosmos itself, are streaming through you. And because of one night in 1956, we finally know they're there. If stories like this make the universe feel bigger and closer, take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. And tell me in the comments which invisible mystery you want uncovered next.